those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those numbers, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need that hype, throw that to the side,
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video, and in today's video we're going to get into the hair that I'm currently rocking. So today we are featuring Malinda. This is an affordable wig company. They have sent over this beautiful unit. So the highlight and key points of this unit is their Nano Lace. So Nano Lace is different from your traditional transparent lace and HD lace. I know you guys are like, what is a Nano Lace? Like, how many different types of laces are they going to come out with? So the Nano Lace is an upgraded version of your HD lace. So as far as the hairline on this unit, they call this a Bionic Hairline. So it is basically a hairline that is mimicking a natural hairline. They say the scientists have collected samples of young hairlines, and that is how they generated the template to create the hairline on this unit. So I had to do absolutely no plucking. This is a pre-plucked unit. So the hairline of this is not a regular pre-pluck, but it's more like a heart-shaped hairline. So for the unit that I have, this unit is 150 density. This is a silky straight texture. This is also 20 inches. All I did really after installing this unit was define my part, and then I flat ironed the hair silky straight, and I wore it just like that. The hair is very soft. It's a lightweight hair. So with the hair being lightweight along with this unit, it literally feels like you are not wearing anything. No wig. It's giving very much natural. I love that. This hairline does melt into the skin really well. As you can see, I didn't have to do any baby hairs to hide or cover the lace. The lace is definitely on point. So add this to your list of new laces. But so far, I am highly impressed with this unit. They also sent over a few free gifts in my packet. If you are interested in this unit, or maybe you want to take a look at some of the other units that they have to offer, links will be down in the description box for you to check. If I have a discount code, that discount code will be in the description box as well as in the comment section. So make sure to check down below if you want to save some money off your purchase. You know, I've been trying to come through with the discount codes, and whenever I remember, I put it in the descriptions. Definitely check down below for that. If you have any other questions, drop that down in the comments. Shout out to MalindaHair for sponsoring this video, and I want to shout you out for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.
on my knee, flawless begin. Hop off a chick, barely get rich. Cash through the morning, I get a check. She selling run on my pants and my chest. She not a dress, clean up a mess. I eat her flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, copper Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. 210, and they gon' pull like I Uber these jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, don't get used to these reps. With this school where they teach you finesse. I earn this shoes for the drip, I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. Go to cool fast when they in with an S.
Now that I'm home, back out the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, in them a fold, sand on my feet, put it on toes, take it with me, double your dose, covered with angels that's watching my soul. Check out a bed, it's bigger windows, I be the intent, but I got the info. I feel like I'm frozen, I'm covered in gold.
Hands on my knee, always big X. Hop off a chick, barely get rich. Cash through the morning, I get a check. She selling run on my pants and my chest. She not a dress, clean up a mess. I eat her flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, copper Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed.
She told me text me, really good boy like I Uber the jets. VS is on me, got my Louis shirt wet. Said him in my bag and get used to these racks.
With this school where they teach you finesse. I earn this shoes for the drip, I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. Know the cool fast when they in with an S.
The flame on the island, your couch gonna hop on it.
Back the fuck up off. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those times. I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the hype, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time.
I wanna press my line, yeah. I wanna press my. I wanna green like I wanna be like I wanna press my line, yeah. I wanna take that ride, yeah. I'm gonna press my line. I wanna green like I wanna be like I wanna press my. Mama dear, spare your feelings. I relive a moments, feeling more residual. I can buy the building, burn the building, take your bitch, rebuild the building just to fuck some. I can justify my love for you. I touch the sky, forgot to stop the dead wall. Put the pussy on the pedestal, put the pussy on the high horse. That pussy to die for, that pussy to die for. Eat a piper, pick the peppers. I can pick your brain and put your heart together. We depart the shady parts and party hard. The diamond shows the cool forever. My best shot just might shoot forever like.
I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you